Hello, everyone. Welcome. We are here in my living room and we are going to start reading our new story and learning about bones. So, in case you need to revisit our story today, it is called A Marvelous Machine. Feel free to pause this video as you need and take notes, whatever helps you. But this should help get you some more information about our bodies and how bones help us out, okay? So here's our story from our textbook about the human body, and this one is called A Marvelous Machine. One of the most marvelous machines in the world is the human body. The many parts of your body work together, allowing you to walk, run, jump, and play. Even while you sleep, the body keeps working. Your skeleton is an important part of you. It is the framework of the body and gives the body its shape, just like we talked about earlier. As you grow, your skeleton grows and changes with you. Look at these two pictures here and these labels. Your bones grow and even some fuse together. Grow together. They grow into one another. By the time you are 1 year old, your skeleton has about 200 different bones. So this one says it's an X-ray of a 2.5-year-old hand. And here it's the X-ray of an adult hand. Okay, so what are some differences you see? What are some similarities? Super protectors. Bones do more than just support the body. They also protect the soft organs inside. The following bones are some of those that act as an armor for your organs. What's armor? Wonder if you've heard that word before. What could an example of armor be? Maybe something like knights used? The skull keeps the brain and sense organs safe from harm. The skull is made up of 26 different bones. The lower jaw and the tiny ear bones are the only bones in the skull that move. Did you know that your teeth are not bones? They are hard, bone-like structures. Teeth have a hard outer layer and a soft, pulpy inner layer. The outer layer of a tooth is covered by a super strong coating of enamel, which is the hardest substance in the human body. Then we're going to learn about your ribs. In your chest are 12 pairs of ribs. These ribs protect the heart, lungs, spleen, stomach, and liver. As you breathe in, your ribs move up and out. This helps your lungs take in more air. Now we're going to learn about your pelvis. The pelvis is made up of 3 bones. One is a bone at the base of the spine called the sacrum. The 2 other bones are the hip bone that makes up the pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle cradles and shields the intestines and the bladder. The flexible skeleton. Each bone in the human body is hard and unbending, yet the skeleton itself is flexible. Joints make it possible for the skeleton to move. Joints are the places where 2 or more bones meet and allow movement. Some joints allow a lot of movement. Other joints move a little or not at all. Bones are held in place by connective tissues. Cartilage is a kind of connective tissue. It is found at the ends of the bones. Cartilage protects the bones and helps joints move smoothly. Ligaments are another type of connective tissue. They hold the bones together at the joints. Bones don't move by themselves. Muscles move bones. Together, bones and muscles allow movement to happen. How? Tendons, another type of connective tissue, connect muscles to bones. When a muscle contracts or shortens, the tendons pull the bones, causing movements. Some superflexible parts of your body include the following: the spine, which is the backbone of the body. The 26 bones in the spine are called vertebrae. They have cartilage in between them, allowing the spine to bend and twist. The shoulder. The scapula, or shoulder blade, which is right here, and the arm are connected by many muscles and ligaments. This flexible joint allows you to swing your arm in a full circle. Try it. Then there's the hip. The femur, or thigh bone, which is right here, is the longest bone in your body. One end of it fits perfectly into your pelvis at your hip. The hip joint allows you to kick to the front and to the side. Pardon me. Now we're going to play Name That Bone. Sure, you can touch your kneecap, but can you point to your patella? Check out the scientific terms for some of the bones in your body. Okay, so first there's the scapula, which is your shoulder blade. Maxilla, which is your upper jaw. Mandible, lower jaw. Clavicle, collarbone. Sternum, chest bone. Humerus, radius, and ulna. So humerus, radius, and ulna, which are in your arm. Femur, tibia. So femur, tibia, and fibula are in your legs. Your patella is your kneecap. Phalanges are your finger bones and toe bones. Your coccyx is your tailbone. Your metacarpals are your wrist bones. And your metacarpals, or your metatarsals, your tarpals are your ankle bones. Okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, or feel free to watch this again to get more answers. Have a good day, everyone.